Room for you up here somewhere?
No need. I'll just sit on top.
It was the most tragic of all men. Biggest fool of all men, more like.
You knew him personally?
Well, no, not personally, but I saw him around.
Mother?
Weapons aren't welcome in my tavern. Neither are you. What are you doing here?
Mother, listen. The warlord Draco is marching on this valley.
And you need to borrow a few men for an army, right?
I can help organize a defense.
Give it up, Xena.
I know Draco. I know the way he thinks. I know what his weaknesses are. If we act now, we stand a good chance of stopping him.
You think we're fools? We all remember what happened the last time you talked like that.
You'll not take our son. Not again. You're all in great danger.
Even if that were true, we would rather die before accepting help from you again.
Not this time, Xena. We remember.
Go away, Xena. This is not your town anymore. We are not your people. I am not your mother.
Never again. You know the way out. What are you waiting for?
Victor, I sent you to follow her so we'd know what she was doing, not to tell her what we're doing.
Look, I had no choice.
Neither do I. Choose a weapon. Now. Get the men ready for a forced march. What's the state of the troops?
The 1st and 2nd divisions are about ready now. The 3rd is stationed at the Strymon Pass.
Mobilize 1 and 2. They can take the high road to the sea. The 3rd division can join us at Thrace.
They can take the Strymon Road and be there in 2 days.
No, the pass doesn't offer enough cover. March them north. Across the foot of the mountain. Then they can cut east to the northern border. We'll flank Amphipolis on both sides and crush them if they offer any resistance. Saddle my war horse.